Me, Macafinario. Today we're going to be going on a different nature walk, not by my house, but like here it's at a park. And leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. And comment down below if you like my nature walk videos. But there's literally a path, so it's not, and there's like that. So we're going to be going. Guys, we're going to be going down here. This is where like a I don't know how to explain it with. This is like where this is where like the pond is. If you be quiet. Let me turn this all the way up. Cause like maybe you guys could just. Okay, yeah, guys. Sorry that didn't work. Recording has failed. But leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe, guys. But we're going kind of far down in the forest, so I just come on, video. I didn't want it to look at me. Boom. Okay, guys. So leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Because you guys could see there's like the bench and stuff. So this isn't like the woods. Oh, if you guys could see, there's a little caterpillar nest. You know, caterpillar nest. Okay. Guys, there is a pond at the end of this. So stay watching this video. What? Get out of here, ad. Okay. Sorry you guys had to see the ad. It was just black sometimes, like they always are. That just happens. I was trying to clear it, but it never works. Oh, this is a good stick to throw in the pond. Or the river. Okay. Yeah. Pretty good stick. Oh, man. Stick. And there is also like rocks and stuff here that you could throw in. I mean, you could throw it in. Oh, man, I gotta get it a good hold. Okay. Oh, man, I'm all dirty. Guys, we're almost there. Guys, look. If you could see that, like right there, that looks like a big rock. That's part of the bridge. Just gotta grab the stick. Okay. And if you guys could have heard like water, that's just my water bottle. So leave a like and comment down below and subscribe. Subscribe what day what is your favorite thing to go swimming in? I like swimming in like rivers, ponds and stuff. So yeah. There's like something down there. It's like pretty squishy. Okay. Oh, another ad. There's a other ad. Wow. Okay, guys. We're almost there. Almost there, guys. We're almost there. Now you guys can maybe see it a little better. Like you guys could see the other part if you can. Okay, there could be frogs and toads. Because like over there used to be like frogs and toads. But like it dried out. So I hope there are some in there. It's like I feel sad because their home got dried out. Yeah, it is pretty mushy there. Oh my god, my finger's gonna hurt. So I got the stick and we're gonna see what happens. Guys, you could totally see the bridge now. Okay, let's go poke the stuff down here because I just wanna, it's like they're under there right now. See, it's like smushy. Yeah, they're under there. Okay, maybe I could get a poke. I heard something. Aw. I literally heard something. Okay. This is the pond, or river, whatever I like to call it, the pond. But guys, this is the way up. Let's go up. Now, add. Now you guys can see it. If I drop my tablet, it's dead. See, that's the river. Now I'm gonna throw my stick over. Just made a splash. There's like fish. I don't know if you guys could see it, but let's go get a closer look. I thought I said I wanted to go by myself. It's okay. Okay. Like if you guys could kind of see, I'll get a little close. Oof. This is how close I could get. I can't. This is like a beaver place. I'm pretty sure. Oh, my feet got sandy. Yeah, this is how close I could get. If I drop my tablet, I'm dead. Okay? Okay, and there's some of these holes that I made when I went swimming here. Well, guys, I think we should end the video. Maybe we could just go for a little look. Hey, Dad, is it okay if I go over there where, like, the horses are? Where they could go? Okay. Okay. I gotta be careful. So, this is where, like, the horses go. It's, like, smushy there. I'll get out of here, Ad. Okay. Guys, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. It's kind of okay if I drop it. I'll tell you when we end the video. It's almost there. Guys, just stay tuned. There's like some stuff. There's like something weird. If you guys know what these are, comment down below. See like that right there? Let me see if I can circle it. That thing? See that? That is weird. No, not the drawing. Like that thing that you guys saw. Now that's going to be on the screen. Could I just get that out? Okay, good. Okay, guys. There's a lot of moss and stuff. Gotta be careful that I don't drop my tablet. See, it's like a little mushy. So yeah, that's why I can't drop it. It comes to like over here. It might get a little mushy. So I think I should end the video. Guys, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Wait, why can I hit that? Okay, guys, might gotta get like this real quick. Guys, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Now I could just what? Why can't I? Okay, bye guys.